I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. Now we're going to cover the tucker arm. The tucker arm is an important component to the tying system on the upper side of the machine. The function of the tucker arm is to properly align the upper twine with the upper needle roller when the knotters are actuated. The tucker arm's location is crucial in terms of the alignment, combining the needle with the upper twine. If the tucker arm is out of adjustment, this can cause a mistie issue, particularly on the first knot. The tucker arm extends down through each slot in the top of the chamber. The twine flows down through the tucker arm, underneath the tucker arm roller. It's best to make sure at the start of the season and throughout the season that this roller is spinning freely. In addition, we want to make sure our tucker arms are centered in the slot of the top of the chamber. The tucker arm either needs to be centered or slightly offset to the left of the top roller of the needle for proper twine alignment. Now that we've covered the function of the tucker arm, we're going to take a look at some troubleshooting and adjustment procedures to address any issues that may occur with the tucker arm. If you find that the tucker arm is out of alignment or not centered or slightly off to the left of the top roller on the needle, you can just use a pry bar and make that adjustment pretty quickly and easily using the needle as a reference. In this example, we can see that the tucker arm is slightly offset to the right. I know it might be a little hard to see, but slight misadjustments of the tucker arm can cause tying issues, particularly on the first knot. So I'm going to take my pry bar on the right side of that tucker arm and bend that tucker arm to the left to either center or offset that tucker arm slightly to the left. It's a pretty quick and easy adjustment, but it's important during the tying process.